Hello, guys. I am very happy today with this stock called Anac, ANAC, which is a drug sector stock in biotechnology industry. So I just bought it a few days ago, and I got the big surprise today from I bought it like um, $76 a few days ago, and today it is $131.93. Now, these gap ups, a lot of times, the stocks are excellent. It means if you see the history of the stock, see, if you see the history of the stock is always going up into a very, very long trend. And sometimes when there is a good news about earnings or other news, especially this drug sector, sometimes we have a good surprises like this. Now, I didn't buy that much. I bought only 100 shares, but in few days I just got $5,000. It's not that big amount because um, what you risk is very little. Okay, so getting from 76 or 75 to 131 or 132 is a good thing, especially when it is just few days. And no one knows about this earnings thing. It can be a good surprise or it can bad surprise. But see, um, sometimes you should just follow your strategy and risk some money in the market. Now, when you get good uh, trade like this, even if you have done many other um, bad trades or losers, this trade will cover all your losses and you will have profit. And this is how my strategy works. It means I'm not looking at to base my strategy on one trade each time. So for me, I buy many trades or I buy many stocks at the same time. Now this all of them they have a momentum, okay? Momentum, which is most of the time the new highs most of the time. Now I don't like to buy from like many people to buy from the bottom, which is the support line, like let's say this one here, support line, because most of the time you should do many attempts to get a good trade. Okay, so but in general, I am always looking for stocks that go up. Okay, I'm not looking for stocks that go down. Stocks that go down, I don't see most of the time. 99.99, I don't see those kind of stocks. Okay, see for example, I showed you before uh, what happened to Twitter just a few days ago, and you see how the big downtrend. So I'm not interested in those kind of stocks. Some people are waiting to get a support line and to see if the stock will go up again. Some are following this, but believe me, you should attempt many times. See here, one, two, three, four, five. There are some people who like to do this kind of trade, so they are waiting for a beginning of trend from the bottom, from the support line, and they want it. But for me, this attempts, you should attempt a lot and you should lose a lot of money. Okay, so for me, I am with the good opportunities. I don't want to buy a stock many times in order to get um, to the trend. Now, for me, I like um, a stock that is going up like before for Twitter. Okay, see before in this here, this is where I was before here. So I bought it here in this big trend here. It takes only 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but it was a very good trade that I have done here. Now I have done some a lot, but it doesn't stay. I have done this here. I got the gap up here. Okay, I got the gap up, and I like the gap up because it's like a very good surprise. And I didn't get a gap down just for stocks that give dividend. Okay, when they give dividend, the stock go down, so they give me my money back. So there is no problem with that. Now, going back to our stock with this gap up, which is probably I didn't sell today because the day was so excellent, because it begins now. Yesterday the stock was 84.61. Okay, it was $84.61, and today in the morning it opens with 113.57, and then from 113.57 it goes down to $112.67, and then it goes up to 135.24. This is where it goes, which is the high of today. And then it goes down a little bit because a lot of day traders, as you might know, maybe the floor traders, they will sell before the market ends. That's why you see this short tail here on the top. So because this is the amount that the day traders have taken. Okay, because they don't want to have a risk for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow it will go down and maybe it goes up again. So for them, they work the day or the trading day, and they don't like for tomorrow, so they will sell. Okay, now but for us, like swing traders, we stay and we see tomorrow. If the stock is continuing to go up, maybe from 131 to 35, or to 40 or wherever, because we don't know what will happen tomorrow. But for me, if the stock is going down, I will sell. Okay, I will sell and I will take all my money before it goes down with short sellers, as they usually do. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have comments or you have some questions, you can write it here or send me a private message, or subscribe if you don't. And thank you very much.